Well, hey, welcome to the video. Welcome to the video. Tim Thomas here, broadcasting from the beautiful state of North Carolina. Great things are happening, and we could not be more excited about what we've got going on. A nice, beautiful day, and I hope you are enjoying yourself. So welcome to the video. Before we get into the video, make sure you like the video, hit the notification bell, subscribe to the channel, so when I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. Look at that, earn $1,500 every month. I'm gonna show you, folks, there is a blue box over there. There's a blue box. Look where I'm at a post office. Even on the weekend, folks, you can put yourself in a position to make 5 figures per month. Of course, as an income disclaimer, in life, nothing happens until you take action. But it is a beautiful day, and before I go home, I'm coming up to a blue box, and I'm going to drop off these guys here. Earn $1,500 every month for referring just 5 customers, and they do the same down through 3 levels. The potential is staggering. I'm telling you what, folks, join America's #1 income system today. American Bill Money is on a tear to the upside. People are just upgrading. People are joining every day. Folks, I've never seen a system so powerful as American Bill Money. I'm telling you what, and Money Order Freedom, you can earn up to $2,000 per year per person. I'm telling you, it is exciting. So yeah, it is just absolutely a beautiful day. We're coming up to the mailbox, and we're gonna show you how, again, to see where we're at, how we're going to be able to drop off. Can you mail a few postcards, folks? I'm going to show you how simple it is. Put yourself in a position to earn potentially over $10,000 plus per month. Potential. And more than that. Can you just drop off postcards into a mailbox like that? Remain consistent. And I'm gonna cover up all personal information, and you do it over and over again, right into the mailbox. Look at that postcard, folks. Look at that. You're invited. Call the overview number. Our team is just absolutely exploding. Dial 1-800-632-0739, or you can text the ID number 2476 to that number. Go to that website. $50, folks, to get you started. And I'm telling you what, I am getting people, they're not only starting at the $50, they're joining, and my goodness, they are upgrading to the basic. They're upgrading to the Money Order Freedom. And I'm telling you what, it is exciting. We are showing people how to create financial freedom. I'm going to save those for tomorrow. And that's how I do. I get 100 ready. I just dropped off 200, and I'm going to drop off another 200 tomorrow. And this is how financial freedom is done. Creating the lifestyle of going where you want to go, doing what you want to do, staying as long as you want to stay, living where you want to live. You want to go to Walmart for the remainder of the day. Do I want to go to Lowe's, Home Depot? Wherever in life I want to go, this is what financial freedom can look like. This is what we're out here in the beautiful state of North Carolina. This is what financial freedom can look like, creating the lifestyle of your dreams. I'm telling you, I'm excited. I want you to win today. I want you to win big. I want you to get started in American Bill Money. Get on our conference calls. Get our cover letter. If you need a cover letter, just email us on the video, theabmdreamteam.com, and we'll get you started. American Bill Money is the best, one of the best businesses I have ever seen. It is the best residual income plan, folks, on planet Earth, and we want you to be a part of it. Where are you going to be in 5 years from today? Will you be with us making 10 grand a month, 15 grand a month? Is it possible? Yes, it's possible to get that. It's possible. So I'm going to leave you there. Click the link below the video and give this video a thumbs up. Please give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate you viewing the video. And it's beautiful out here today. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Until the next video.